Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. COVID-19 spreading highly in our country, and we are providing online classes and some study material like hard copy. So today's topic is in Standard 5, Chapter Standard 5, in subject SST, Chapter 2, about latitudes and longitudes. So let's go to the topic, whatever we have. So what we have, latitudes and longitudes. Today's chapter is latitudes and longitudes. So our earth is like a sphere. It does not have a top or a bottom. It also does not have sides and corners. Our earth is round, so that it doesn't have corners, sides and top or bottom. So first of all we have North Pole and South Pole. We will know about North Pole and South Pole. The earth rotates on its axis. The two end points on this imaginary axis of rotation are called poles. The two end points, that North Pole and the South Pole, the top of the end point is North Pole and the bottom of the end point is South Pole. So the two end points of this imaginary axis of rotation is called poles. The lines divide the earth into two equal halves. The lines divide the earth. This is the earth. The line divides the earth is called two equal halves, northern hemisphere and lower half is called southern hemisphere. This one is half is northern hemisphere and this half is southern hemisphere. Latitudes. We will know what is latitudes. Latitudes are also known as parallels. They are circles drawn horizontally between the North Pole and South Pole. Horizontally drawn between North Pole and South Pole is known as latitudes. There are 180 degrees of latitudes in all. There are 90 degrees of latitude in northern hemisphere and 90 degree latitudes in the southern hemisphere. The equator is the longest latitude. The equator line is the longest latitude. The equator line is the longest latitude. Features of latitudes. All the latitudes run parallel to each other, and the longest latitude is the equator, 40,075 km. It is also called the greatest circle. The longest latitude 40,075 km and it is also known as greatest circle. Important latitudes. There are some important latitudes. The equator 0 degree and the North Pole 90 degree north and the South Pole 90 degree south. And we have four more important parallels, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These are four most important parallels. And that after we have longitudes. Longitudes or meridians are vertically drawn semicircles. Vertically drawn means like this. This is vertically drawn longitudes. The longitude meridian vertically drawn semicircle joining the North Pole and the South Pole. The term meridians means midday. Meridians means midday. There are 360 degrees in a complete circle. In a complete circle there is 360 degree. This is 360 degree. 360 degree. This is one half is 180 degree and 180 degree. And if you divide into four equal parts, then it will be 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. There are 360 degree in a complete circle, hence there is 360 meridians in all. So because of it is 360 degree in a complete circle, so there are 360 meridians also in all. The longitudes passing through Greenwich in England is taken as 0 degree and this is named as prime meridian. What is prime meridian? The longitude passing through Greenwich in England is taken as 0 degree. The meridian 180 degree east and 180 degree west actually refer to the same meridian known as the international dateline. It is the most important. What is international dateline? You have to remember this thing. the meridian 180 degree east and the 180 degree west actually refer to the same meridian known as the international date line. Then features of longitudes. The length of all the longitudes is same. First point, the length of all longitudes is same. The longitudes form a 90 degree angle with the equator. I told you that the each part, if we divide into 4 parts, that equal part will be 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree, 90 degree. So there is the longitude form a 90 degree angle with the equator. The distance between any two longitudes is maximum at the equator 111.3 centimeter and 111.3 kilometer, and it keeps on decreasing as we towards poles 0 kilometer at both poles. Okay, then locating poles on the globe. Latitudes and longitudes form a network of lines is called grid. It will be a question that what is grid? Latitudes and longitudes form a network of lines are called grid. We can locate any place on the earth. We can locate, you can hear the earth has many places. So we can locate a place by its grid. Okay, you all are clear about this topic. So in the next session I will discuss the exercise. If you have any doubt, then contact me. Keep practice. Here is the hard copy I am providing you, and follow your textbook. Thank you. Have a good day.